Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Netflix. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will search about the application of Netflix. We go to Netflix app. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.